Hi, Rob Shrieve, Coastal Shores Landscaping. Thank you for viewing our February 2021 Low Country Landscape Report. It's a chilly morning out here, February, but spring is right around the corner, believe it or not. So now's the time to get a game plan together to set your landscape up for success come springtime. So be sure to check out Zach's video below regarding maintenance items that you can do now that will set your landscape up for success in the spring. At Coastal Shores, one of our core values is generosity. And by that, we try to do a quarterly community outreach. Some of you might remember our fourth quarter outreach last year was a food drive partnering with Bluffton Self-Help, where we collected over 5,000 food items to fill their food bank. This quarter, we are partnering with Second Helpings. Second Helpings is an organization that works in the area counties, Beaufort, Jasper, Hampton. They typically collect food that is maybe expired at grocery stores or restaurants and that kind of thing. It's still good, it's just not able to be kept on the shelves of the grocery stores. They collect that, they fill local food banks, and it's distributed to people in need in our area. Right now, the need is so great that they are actually having to go outside of what they normally do. They are having to purchase food to distribute. There's that many people in need of food right now that they are having to kind of go, like I said, outside of what they normally do. So we have decided to help them out. Specifically, we are going to be working with the Jasper County Second Helpings. And what we would like to do is work with you to collect monetary donations throughout the month of February. We will match those donations and we will give a check to Second Helpings Jasper County to where they can go out, purchase food, and then distribute it throughout the county. So if you would like to help us out, you can click on the button below to donate. You can email us. You can stop by our office. You can call us. We'll come to your house. Whatever is most convenient for you, we would love your help, love your participation. We will match your donation, and it's going to go to a lot of people that can really use the help right now. So let us know if you have any questions, and just looking forward to seeing what kind of impact we can have in Jasper County this month. So thank you in advance for that. And again, now's the time to start planning for spring. Call us. Our schedule is quickly filling up for enhancement projects and things like that. Now's a great time to consider getting on our monthly application program. That all starts with a soil sample this month, and then that sends us through the next 11 months as far as how we tailor fit a monthly application program to your property. So we would love to work with you, love to get you in good shape heading in the spring. Contact us, visit our website. It's continually being updated. The Ask Coastal Shores button is fantastic, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.